Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Today. I will need you to grab a couple of things. You will need your wipe-off board or a piece of paper, and you will need a 3 tower. So make sure you hit the pause button and grab those things and come on back and see me. All right, welcome back. So today we're going to play the hide and see. And remember, when we play that, we have 3 blocks. That's all I want you to play with today. You put it behind your back and you break it. And then you show your partner how many you have in one hand, and they have to guess how many you have in the other. So you show them 2. If they guessed 1, they're correct. 2 and 1 is 3. You can do it again and break it a different way. Show them 1, 1 and 2 is 3. Excellent. Now you can give it to them and let them do it, and you can try and guess. Also remember that this being 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make sure that you're remembering to count that way with your pinky being number 1. And I know that you are working very hard on that. All right, now I want you to grab either your marker and your wipe-off board or your paper and writing utensil, and I'm going to ask you some questions. So how many ears do you have? I hope you're going to say 2. Good. How many heads do you have? Good. I hope you said 1. Excellent. How about how many feet do you have? Good. 2 is the answer. How about wings? How many wings do you have? Wings? I don't have any wings. Birds have wings. That means 0. We have 0 wings. Very good. Now, what about your nose? How many noses do you have? Yeah, 1 is the answer. Excellent job. So I'm going to give you a challenge today. And your teacher, this would totally put a smile on her face. So I want you to draw something that has 1 ear, 2 heads, and 3 feet. Here's mine. 1 ear, 2 heads, and 3 feet. I want you to try that. And I know your teacher would love to see it. So snap a picture of that and send it to her through Dojo. I know that will make her smile. All right, so we're going to need our cubes. And with your cubes, we are going to be writing some math sentences today. So I have 2 yellow and 1 green. So we know that we have 1, 2, 3. That is our 3 total. So 3 is going to go first. And then if we break those, I have 1 and I have 2. So my math sentence looks like this. 3 equals 1 and 2. Now, most of the time, we would see a math sentence with the answer at the end. 1 and 2 is 3. But we're writing it at the beginning this time. Very good. All right. The next thing I want you to do is we're going to write that a little bit different. I'm going to break them again, except this time I'm going to put my 2 first. So I started with 3. I broke them. 3 equals 2 and 1. You try. 3 equals 2 and 1. Excellent job. Great job. And you can read those math sentences left to right just like you're reading. Excellent job with that, boys and girls. Very good job. And you can continue to practice writing some of those math sentences with your 3 blocks. You could put all 3 blocks in one hand and 0 blocks in the other. 3 equals 3 and 0. That would be the same thing. So a very good job working on that. And you can continue to try to write some of those math sentences. The other thing that we need to look at today is I'm going to draw a square. And I'm going to divide my square into 3 sections. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Good. So 3 is going to be my answer. I'm going to color one of those squares in. That's 1 square that's colored and 2 squares that's not colored. 3 is 1 and 2. Good. I'm glad you're writing those and getting some practice with that. This time, we're going to use that same square. So we've got 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. And we have how many that are colored in? There's 2 that are colored and 1 that's not. one that's still white. So 3 equals 2 and 1. Excellent job. Very nice job writing those math sentences. And remember, you can continue to practice those. You could maybe use the 2 tower and break it. 1 and 1 is 2. Very nice job. Excellent job. High five, boys and girls. Yeah, great. All right, so that's all I have for you today. I want you to remember to make sure that you do your math page. It should be practice page 14. You should be working with the number 3 and thinking about breaking that apart. So make sure that you click on the attachment and you do that. And continue to be working that math brain, practicing counting to 100, practice counting by tens. You can count up like the sunrise and down like the sunset. And all of those will make you a super smart math brain. All right, boys and girls, you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.